meeting and then try to post it to YouTube so that all the kids that couldn't come, they could watch it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me change my screen real quick. Okay, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, so for number one, the question is, what is the number 350,909 written in standard form? Write your answer down.
Okay. 1,000. I need like a second.
Here's a hint. This is our place value chart. Helps you where to put numbers. This is the hundredths place. This is the tenths place. This is the decimal. Ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions.
I have my answer.
Okay, you should have gotten C, 350,000.
Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got that. I got that.
909. Good. Next question. I'll read it and then I'll put it up. It says, a group of 106 campers sits in a big circle. The camp leader tells the campers to say hello to the person sitting next to them on each side. What is the total number of times the campers say hello?
So there's 105 campers, and there's one person.
There's 106 campers.
Oh, 106 campers and one person.
And they say hello to a person on each side of them.
So it's times two.
Uh-huh.
It's like times two.
Good job.
6 times 2. Is it 212?
That's right. You should have gotten B, 212. That's 106 times 2 equals 212. And this is my reminder for story problems. This is story problem strategies. Underline the question sentence. Circle the key numbers and put a box around the words. Next question. If each shaded square is 1/10, what number does the model show?
So 1/10.
If each shaded square is 1/10, what number does the model show?
Is it 0.13?
No.
Oh. Is it 1.3?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Get out. Here's the answer. All the way worked out already. And you could have done it 10/10 plus 3/10 equals 13/10. And then convert it to 1 and 3/10 because 10 will go into 13 one time with 3 remainder, so 1 and 3/10. Or you could have said that this whole thing, since this whole thing is shaded in, is 1, and this is 3/10, 3 out of 10. So you could have done 1 plus 3/10 equals 1 and 3/10. And once you had 1 and 3/10, could convert it to 1 and 3/10. And we know from our place value chart that when we are making 1 and 3/10, we put the 1 in the ones column, and then column, and then the decimal, and then the 3 in the tenths column. So 10 tenths plus 3/10. You add the top 13 numerator, and then the denominator just stays the same. So you have 13 tenths, and that's an improper fraction because the big number is on top. And so we convert it to a mixed number, and we say 10 will go into 13 one times with a 3 remaining, and then you leave that denominator the same, 1 and 3/10. And then to write that as a decimal number, you put the 1, the decimal, and then you write 3/10. You do not write 103 because that's 300. This is the answer. Right there. B. Okay, the next one. 1 cubic foot of concrete weighs about 145 pounds. What is the weight of 9 cubic feet of concrete? 1 cubic foot of concrete weighs about 145 pounds. What is the weight of 9? Do you know what operation to use?
Multiplication.
That's right. So it's 145 times what?
9.
9. That's right.
The answer is 1,305.
That's right. And you could have done an input-output chart. 1 is 145. So 2 is 290. That's 2 times 145. 3 is 435. That's 3 times 145. And then you could have done 9. 9 times 145. That's right, 1,305. When you do multiplication like this, your first column, 5 times 9 is 45. Carry the 4. Times 4 is 36. Plus the 4 is 40. The 0 down here and the 4 up here. And 9 times 1 is 9. Plus the 4 is 13. Put in your comma and you read it 1,305. Is it? I think it was said in the question. Cubic pounds. Good job. Okay.
I'm good at math.
Number 5. This one is called mental math. It says it is approximately 1,000 miles from New York City to Tampa. Suppose a pilot travels one way between New York City and Tampa 6 times in 1 week. About how many miles did she travel?
So is it 6 times 1,000?
Yes, it is.
So it's 6,000.
That's right. That's why it's called mental math, because in mental math problems, that means that a lot of it you can do in your head, in your mind. And so you knew to multiply 1,000 times 6, which is 6,000. Could have also made an input-output chart. 1 trip was 1,000. 2 trip is 2,000. 3 trips is 3,000, all the way down to 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. 6,000 miles. If you had your paper in front of you, you could underline the question sentence. Circle the important numbers. And put a box around the clue words. Times. Next one. Number 6. The buses for Phillips Elementary School carry 40 students per bus. The buses go between 25 and 35 miles in 1 hour. There are 12 buses that bring students to school each day. What piece of information is not needed if you want to determine how many students take the bus to school each day?
I think it's the part where the buses go between 25 and 35 miles in 1 hour. It doesn't talk about the students and the buses.
That's exactly right. So in the question, it was saying how many students take the bus, how many. So telling you that they travel 25 to 35 miles, that's really not necessary information. Sometimes in problems, they try to throw you off by putting extra information in the problem that you really don't need. So for number 6, you could write this. You do not need to know how many miles the buses travel in 1 hour. Okay.
Okay. Sorry about the screaming. That's my baby cousin.
Okay, that happens. My kitty cat was meowing earlier and I kept saying, okay, this one says a delivery truck travels 346 miles each day for 5 days. What is the total number of miles the truck travels?
So 346 times 5 is
That's right.
45 or 46
346. A delivery
times.
346 miles each day for 5 days.
It is 1,730.
That's what I got too. 346 times 5, about 1,730. Good job. Okay, this one is estimation. You remember what we do when we are estimating?
We have to, uh, forgot.
Remember what it's called?
I forgot. It's been a long time.
It really has. It's called rounding. Remember rounding?
I do.
And yeah, when we find our place and you look next door, and if it's 5 or more, you add one more. And if it's 4 or less, you let it rest. So the question says estimation. A basketball arena can hold approximately 7,000 people. Fans bought 5,134 tickets before the game. About how many more seats are left to fill before the game?
Uh, so it has to be somewhere like 2,000.
That's right. Let me go ahead and put the box around the keyboard. We have 7,000 and 5,134. And in the question sentence, it says about. So that's where it tells you to round because it's estimation asking about. And then it says how many more. And in how many more, we do what? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Or how many more? Let's subtract. Subtract. So if you had 7,000 seats and 5,134, or how many tickets were sold, you round 7,000 stays 7,000, and then this one becomes 5,000 because the place is a 5 and the next door is a 1, and 1 is 4 or less, so it just lays to rest 5,000. And 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000, so your answer is B, 2,000. Okay. Jacob, is it backwards on your screen?
No,
Okay,
not
good.
backwards.
Sometimes when I make these recordings, it looks backwards. Okay.
My mom needs the phone. Is it okay if you can like pause real quick? My
I should.
mom
You know
needs
what?
the phone.
If you want to, we did a whole bunch of problems, and we can go ahead and wrap it up.
Okay.
For it to go. It was really good to see you. I
It
miss.
was really good to. I miss you too.
We'll see you next time. Okay.
See you next time too in the 6.
Bye, bye, sweetie.
Mm.